Good morning, guys. You have reached at It's Regina TV, and as promised, I'm here to show you another mixture that we are going to do with Big Poppa.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, the better than the last.
Hello, guys. You have reached at It's Regina TV, and today I have some exciting news. Now, guys, you know that we have been experimenting with Big Poppa, and I told you that I was going to be bringing you back different ways to use Big Poppa, and if Big Poppa will mix with some of our other products that has been growing our hair, right? Because y'all know our products is growing our hair. I have cut my hair like 4 to 6 times just last month. That's how fast my hair is growing, and I hope y'all's is growing too. I am excited. Do you see the smile on my face? I am excited. All right, here we go. Guys, look at my hair. Look at my hair. All right, guys. So this morning I got up and I used Big Poppa just over here, okay? And you see how my hair is looking. I haven't set under a dryer. I haven't wrapped my hair up or anything like that because I was preparing my hair for a different style. I'm going to tell you like this. I have combination hair. My hair takes really well to products up here, but in the back it really don't take, good to products because I have combination hair. So my hair is more rough in the back than it is in the front, and I have told you that in different videos. Right, guys? This morning I got up. I got my Big Poppa. But what made my curls look soft and juicy, I mixed it. I mixed Big Poppa with this, guys. Yes. Let me tell you right now. Guys, I am going to get me a container, and I am going to go get me some more of this and Big Poppa, and I am going to mix it for my little purse containers because I use little containers for my purse just to touch up wherever I need to touch up at, when you're out. And guys, I am telling you, although my hair is more resistant in the back, this mixture, I'm telling you right now, is everything. Now, guys, I'm not going to go and wait for this to dry up and everything, because last time I used Big Poppa by itself, it left my hair soft. Through the whole day, my hair was soft. My hair didn't flake up. It didn't dry. I was able to lift it, and it kept it shine. So, I know that it's going to do the same thing, even though I have this mixed in, right? So basically, guys, we are going to continue to see what Big Poppa mixing with other gels will do, mixing with other like mousses and things like that will do. And I already know that I'm excited about how Big Poppa will lay down my hair and wave it up. Now, like I said, I have not sat under a dryer today. I have not wrapped my hair down with a wave cap. I just applied it, and I'm loving my curls. I am loving my curls. Now, I ain't a big fan of shrinkage, but guys, I'm going to tell you this. When my hair grow out some more, if I allow it, I know that if I want my hair to really look short around here, and longer in the top, I know just to apply Big Poppa around the sides and the back of my hair, and I know it will curl it up real tight. I like this mixture better with my Echo Styling Gel. Now, I told you guys, they have different Echo Styling Gels out there. And I always told you guys that the one that I like the most is this one. So if you go to the store and you see this gel, guys, just remember, it's going to be for all hair types. It has, olive oil in it. It's going to say olive oil right there. But look at the bottom of it, okay, guys? I keep reiterating that. repairs, conditions, defines, moisturize, smooth, and shine. Just look for all of that on the bottom, because the other ones that has olive oil in it does not have that on the bottom, and the top does not look this color green. The other ones look like a lighter green, and I have tested those, and that's why I can tell you hands down, I like that one better for my hair. Now, guys, last time when I put Big Poppa on my hair, and I was just testing the product by itself, yes, it does make my hair curl up really, really tight, okay? Because my hair is longer than this. It will separate it. But that's what I got this pick for. I told you guys the different picks. I got a video on the different picks that I use to style my hair. And, but that's neither here or there, because after my curls do what it's going to do, and I want to go through here and separate my curls and things like that, guys, I just give my pick. Now, I told you guys before that Big Poppa is good for a straight out the shop TWA. If you got, you know, if you did the big chop, this is going to be perfect for your hair. The big chop, this is perfect. Guys, I'm excited. Because y'all know when we cut off all our hair and things of that nature, we want to look good. And I am excited to do, you know, these series for you guys with this Big Poppa gel, because like I said this morning, something told me to mix it. So as I discover what this gel is going to do with different products, guys, y'all know I'm going to bring it to you. But what I love, guys, is when y'all call me. I keep saying when y'all call me. Y'all ain't calling me. What I love the best, guys, is when you guys chime in the comment section down below and say, okay, it worked for me. Oh, I'm using the same products that you're using. My hair is growing. Oh, I just did the big chop. I'm thinking about doing a texturizer. I'm thinking about this. I'm thinking about... I love it. I love it because I tell you what I know, not what I'm guessing, what has happened with my hair. You know, so guys, I'm telling you, this whole process began because I was thinking about, because I wanted to just leave a texturizer alone and find a product. I wanted to find a product that was going to make my hair look good with my natural hair without having to texturize it. Y'all know that that's how this journey began. We are trying to, oh, I'm loving my hair. Guys, look, I'm not sponsored by these people. I am not sponsored by these people, guys. This is me going out here with my coins, buying this stuff. And if I can save y'all, y'all coins, and I'm going to tell you the truth, these are honest reviews. And I am so happy. Y'all know how it is when y'all... Thank you, God. I'm telling you, I am so happy that this is making my hair look the way it is looking, because, guys, this has been a long journey, and I feel like we're getting closer to what we're trying to achieve. Now, I also told you guys, if I find a product that will make my hair look texturized, then there's no rush to texturize my hair, and that means that if I want, I can play with color. Because if I'm not texturizing my hair, I can do a box color, I can go red. I'm not going to go blonde because that takes too much maintenance, you know. But I will mess with red and black. Yes, I will. But I am just enjoying. Right now, I have a rinse on my hair. I did the video on, you know, the rinse that I use. You know what? Oh, my goodness. I am not going to hold you guys, but I will continue to bring you what I discover with this product. But we have a winner here. This is a winner. This is a winner. All right, guys. Well, this is a winner. I am very, very happy. We are getting closer to our goal. Our goal was to make our hair look texturized without texturizing it. And I am loving this mixture of olive oil gel, Echo olive oil gel, and Big Poppa. I am loving this mixture. So guys, be looking out for the third video that I will be bringing you about what else I have discovered with Big Poppa gel. But this right here, oh yes ma'am. I am very, very excited. I am very, very happy. I feel sexy. Guys, this combination here, I can tell you right now, is perfect for a big chop. Perfect for a big chop. But we got so much more that we're going to end up doing with this gel before it's all over. Okay, guys? So, guys, just know that I appreciate you. Thank you for coming by, spending this time with me. You guys thumbs up and watch my video, and you share my videos, guys. And the newcomers, welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address in this video that you want to know. And until next time, guys, love your hair. Stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah. I'm loving this. Guys, yes, baby, yes.
You said that you feel lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know.